Hey everyone, how's it going? Bonesy here. Today I'm going to show you all how to install Java 8 on Windows 2000. I had a comment in one of my videos asking me how to do it, and I thought it would make a great video. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So we're going to start off on a modern computer. I'm on Windows 10 right now. It works great. Windows 10 should work great. So you're going to go to your web browser and type in Java 7 Archive. So it's going to send you to the Oracle link here. It should be the top link. You're going to scroll down to the very bottom of the archive and just download straight up Java SE Runtime Environment 7. You're going to go for the Windows x86 offline installer. It'll probably have you created a profile for our Oracle, as you can see here. I'm going to blur that out, but that's my email, and then there's a password. You click sign in, and then it will let you download the oldest version of Java 7. You may have to create an account for this, but Oracle is trustworthy. I wouldn't worry too much about it. So you have Java 7 down here. You're going to drag it to your desktop and just keep it there for a minute. So we're going to go back to our home page and type in Java 8 Archive. So now that's going to pop up at the top of the screen just like Java 7. And then what you're going to do is scroll down to the very bottom, and then under Java SE Runtime Environment 8, you're going to download the Windows x86 offline Java Runtime Environment 8 setup. So I'm going to go ahead and download this again, just like with Java 7. It's going to save right down here, and then bam, put it right there. So the next step on your Windows 10 computer is to install the earliest version of Java 8. So I'm going to go ahead and run the setup for this, and it's going to install this on a Windows 10 computer. And this is necessary to get it to work on Windows 2000. And you'll see why in a minute. So once it's done installing, it says it's successfully installed. I'm going to show it off screen so you don't see all my programs installed. But you're going to go into My Computer. Where is it? This PC on Windows 10. You're going to go into this PC. You'll go into your C drive. You go into Program Files x86. You'll go into the folder named Java. And then in Java, you're going to see a folder named JRE8. You're going to copy that and paste it to your desktop. These other two folders, don't worry about them. You just want JRE8. That's the one you want. So you're going to take JRE8 and then the Java 7 installer. And then the easiest way is to just put it into a Java Windows 2000. That's just what I'm going to name Windows 200. Okay, yeah. Just put it in this folder, and then transfer it over to your Windows 2000 computer. So this shared files folder connects to my Windows 2000 computer. So you transfer it over, and just a second, and I'm going to have my Windows 2000 computer pulled up. Alright, so as you can see, we're on our Windows 2000 computer now. I have my Java Windows 200 folder right here. So the next step is going to be to install this Java 7 exe. So you're just going to go ahead and install it like normal. Just install it to your program files. You don't have to change the destination. This should be fine. And just let it do its thing. And while this is installing, I'd like to say that this is on Windows 2000 Service Pack 4. I don't know if it works without the service packs. I haven't tried. Most people already have Service Pack 4 installed, so you should be okay. Okay, so Java 7 is installed now. So if you go to your control panel, you'll see Java right here. And it's going to go ahead and say Java 1.7.0. If that's what it says, then you're perfectly good. Everything's fine. So the next step that you take is you go into My Computer, C drive, Program Files, Java. Alright, so I have a whole bunch of other folders here that you don't need to worry about. They're from different installations. The only folder that you will see is JRE7. Don't worry about those other ones. So now that you have JRE7, what you're going to do is just rename it to just JRE9, just for an example, just anything but JRE7 or JRE8. And then you're going to take your JRE8 folder from your Windows 10 computer and rename it JRE7. Copy it into your Java folder. Go ahead and close it out. And this is the only way I've found to fool Java into doing this. You can't just tell it to do it. But now it's going to see that JRE7 folder that it's looking for, and then the Java 8 files are installed in it. You can't just enable it with the check mark. It doesn't work for some reason. It'll let you click it, and then it'll go right back to 1.7. So that's the only way I've found to do it. But now, for instance, if you try to play Minecraft on Windows 2000 that requires Java 1.8, it'll let you do it. So anything that requires Java 1.8 is going to work now. So that is the only way I've found to do it. And I hope that helps anyone that's trying to figure out how to do this in the future. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If anyone has any questions, or if I haven't made anything clear, just let me know, and I'll be glad to answer your questions. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye.